Hi, good morning guys. I'm here to discuss about the Management Information System. First, let's define what's the meaning of Management Information System. The Management Information System, or MIS, provides information that organizations require to manage themselves efficiently and effectively. This is also typically computer system used for managing. We have 5 primary components of MIS. First is the hardware. It is referred to the machinery like computer itself, which is often referred to as the central processing of its support equipment. Among the support equipments are input and output devices, storage devices, and communication devices. Second is the software. It is referred to the computer programs and the manuals that support them. Computer programs are machinery-readable instructions that direct the circuitry within the hardware part of CBIS to function in ways that produce useful information from data. Third is the data. Data are facts that are used by programs to produce useful information. Like programs, data are generally stored in machine-readable form on disk or tape until the computer needs them. Fourth is the procedures. Procedures are the policies that govern the operation of a computer system. Procedures are to people what software is to hardware. That is the common analogy that is used to illustrate the role of procedure in CBIS. And last, the people. Every CBIS needs people if it is to be useful. Often the most overlooked element of a CBIS are the people, probably the component that most influence the success or failure of the information system. Thank you for listening.
The scope of computer and information processing. The computer and information processing deals directly or indirectly with the computer-assisted flow of information. The scope of these fields includes everything from the word processing to industrial robot to supercomputers and to management information system. The purpose of this chapter is to give an overview of an information system that can be useful to the managers and students.
Until the past 25 years or so, managers almost never felt that they had enough information to make decisions. Of course, information has always been available, but it was not always easy to obtain, synthesize, and analyze. In the 1950s, a manager could send them researchers to the local library. Even then, much of the data would not be current. Other available information sources included the radio, newspapers, and professional meetings and publications. Contrast that scenario with today. Today's managers are often burdened, not with a lack of information, but rather from information overload. Information overload occurs when managers have so much information that they have trouble distinguishing between the useful and useless information.
A Management Information System, or IMS, provides information that organizations require to manage themselves efficiently and effectively. It has 5 primary components: hardware, software, data, procedures, and people. MIS are distinct from other information systems because they are used to analyze and facilitate strategic and operational activities. It also gives the business managers the information that they need to make decisions. Early business computers produce their simple operations such as tracking inventory, billing sales, or payroll data with little detail or structure. There are advantages that can be attained for different types of management information systems. First, companies are able to highlight their strengths and weaknesses due to the presence of revenue reports, employees' performance record, etc. The identification of these aspects can help the company improve their business processes and operations. Second, giving an overall picture of the company and acting as a communication and planning tool. Next, the availability of the customer data and feedback can help the company to align their business processes according to the needs of the customers. The effective management of customers' data can help the company to perform direct marketing and promotion activities. Lastly, management information systems can help a company gain a competitive advantage. Competitive advantage is a firm's ability to do something better, faster, cheaper, or uniquely when compared with rival firms in the market.
Hello everyone, today I will be reporting about MIS or Management Information System. MIS or Management Information System is all about providing the right information at the right time with the right users to managers with at least the less possible cost. Due to the complexity of business operations, MIS has evolved from a mere basic function of reporting financial statements and statistical information to sophisticated financial and statistical projections and performance reports. It has been traditionally an accounting function, but due to the advent of computer technology, MIS is now a separate functional area in business characterized as a support or services group. Management Information System is an integrated system that helps the management with relevant information to run the business effectively and efficiently.
The functions of an MIS are data capturing, data storage, data processing, data and information distribution, prediction or forecasting, planning and control. Data capturing is the process of gathering data from various sources. This includes the following: customer touchpoints like stores and e-commerce sites, mobile shopping, self-checkout, etc. Output of one or more systems like sales, finance, market analysis, operations, etc., and from digital and social media sites. All data thus collected is stored in database or in data files. This data is also stored in various storage media like hard drives, DVD, etc. Cloud-based applications store data on virtual servers. Converting raw data into meaningful information is what experts call as data processing. This is an important function of MIS, as information is the core necessity for achieving competitive advantage. Distribution of the right information to the right person at the right time is termed as information distribution. The information could be in the form of a report, image, message, file, form, video or audio. To facilitate comparison, information is presented in the form of charts or tables or graphs. With the help of modern arithmetic, statistics or simulation, MIS can predict business using historical data as a base. Reports are generated based on the enterprise's needs. These reports help management to plan in advance. This enables each functional department to work efficiently. MIS helps in monitoring and tracking operations against organizational plans. The deviation between operations and the organizational plan is analyzed for exercising control.
As discussed above, MIS or Management Information System has different functions that enables the management to function effectively and efficiently.
As a new functional area, the MSI or the EDP, which is short for Electronic Data Processing, department is headed by an MSI director for large-scale businesses and an EDP manager for medium to small-scale operations. Under them are various staffs like the system analysis, who oversees the design and documentation of business systems. Next is a programmer who codes system designs into a specific language. For example, is the basic COBOL. Data controller checks inputs and output data. The computer operators who takes charge of the operations and maintenance of the computer facilities. And last but not the least, the data encoder who transcribes data inputs. An example of an organizational chart of this area is it is headed by an MSI director, followed by an EDP manager, and under them are the system analyst, the programmer, the data controller, and the computer operator, and under the data controller is the data encoder. The EDP department manager also participates in management decisions, particularly in planning and controlling activities.